The problem with filming a 3-bedroom home with a river view from every single room, you don't know where to start for the opening. But I suppose your new 500 square foot living room with these custom oversized windows is as good as any. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 380 Riverside Drive and this meticulously renovated loft-like 3-bedroom on the Upper West Side. This is a home that makes an immediate statement as soon as you walk in, where you're immediately drawn into a sprawling and spacious open concept living room and these perfectly framed, breathtaking views. Let me show you this. These aren't your standard river views. What's especially compelling here is the gorgeous Riverside Park in the foreground, making for an interesting and varied depth of view in any season. Have a look at these and then I'll meet you in the kitchen. The current owners completed a detailed and thoughtful renovation of this home, and many of these elements are showcased right here in this windowed kitchen. The layout offers plenty of countertop and cabinet space for the chef and you, with premium appliances and some great added features, such as under-sink cold water filtration and a convenient Bosch washer-dryer. All 3 bedrooms are spacious, and both bathrooms are equally stunning, with the primary appointed with a Kohler extra deep bathtub in Spanish porcelain tiles, and the other in Italian porcelain and accented with a large Hans Grohe rain shower. Throughout the almost 1,700 square feet turnkey home, you'll enjoy plenty of storage, high 9-foot 9-inch ceilings, gorgeous dark hardwood floors, and custom window treatments. Now you may have noticed the eastern exposure from the kitchen and are saying to yourself, hold up, I thought you said there was a river view from every single room. Well folks, that's the beauty of this open floor plan. Standing there in the kitchen allows you to be engaged with guests while still enjoying these incredible river views. That's a wrap and I hope you like it. But truly, this home and these views are even better in person. And I look forward to showing you this spectacular home with a private tour.